Hello guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slick Hair TV. Today we're going to make a texturized fringe hairstyle and we're gonna use the new Black Gold. It's a new product that we are launching for Black Friday. We have 5 designs and it's containing a high hold wax with charcoal and professional fragrance. You can go to the description, we have a link to a sign up form. We only have 1,000 of each design available and they are marked in numbers, so hurry up if you like to be first in line. Also remember to comment, like and subscribe to have a chance to win 2 By Villain product and a nice By Villain t-shirt. But now to the haircut. Let's go to the salon. Congrats! Here we have the winner from the last week comment and like and subscribe competition. He won 2 products and a t-shirt. So if you like to be the lucky winner next time, go make your comment, like and subscribe. Also remember these bad boys here. We have 5 designs. It collector's items. There's only 1,000 of each. You can go to the comment section and sign up the newsletter to be first in line. Be the lucky owner of a new jar. It's very limited, so check it out and see you guys next time.